Question 12. Prove that the square of an odd number is always one more than a multiple of 4. Now the word prove means we're going to use algebra, which shows that this is true for every case. However, it's okay just to use numbers at first, just so that you get an idea of what you're doing. So prove that the square of an odd number, well, an odd number, say 3, the square of it, 3 squared, is 9, is always one more than a multiple of 4. Well, 8's a multiple of 4, and that's one more. Let's try it again. 5 squared is 25, and 6 4s are 24, so that's one more than a multiple of 4. This doesn't pick me up any marks, but I'm starting to get a sense of what the question's asking me to do. But because it's prove and not show, I have to use algebra. Now we know that n stands for a number, but I want an odd number. So it's tempting to think you could just do n plus 1. But if n is an odd number, and then by adding 1 you get to an even number, because n can stand for any number. So what you need to realise is you need 2n plus 1. If you take any number and multiply it by 2, you will have an even number. If you add 1, or you could have put take 1 here, you will have an odd number. By getting an algebraic expression to represent an odd number, you've got your first mark. Prove that the square of an odd number, so 2n plus 1 squared is 2n plus 1 times 2n plus 1. Expanding this, so I've got 4n squared plus 2n plus 2n plus 1. This line of workings here picks you up the second mark. The third mark is for simplifying this expression. So it's actually worth showing it unsimplified first, so you maximise your chances of getting marks. And the fourth mark will be realising that I can factorise a 4 out here, so I'll get 4 lots of n squared plus n, and then I've got plus 1, and it's worth writing a short statement. 4 times anything is a multiple of 4. So 4 times n squared plus n will always be in the 4 times table. 4 times anything is a multiple of 4, plus 1 left over. And we've done what the question asks, and we've picked up the fourth mark. Please subscribe if you're finding these videos useful.